Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Sagittarius. This is for your relationship. And this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that, Sagittarius. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I'll be sharing my friend's link in the description below, so you can contact her. She does personal reading in Fever and she is a very good intuitive reader. So if you are interested, you can contact her, Sagittarius. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So we have Five of Swords, Six of Wands in reverse and Empress in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone making a lot of efforts. You are striving really hard. Maybe in your work, you are making a lot of efforts, trying to do things in the right way, trying to do things in a better way to reach success, to reach prosperity, or work with a greater potential. So you have a lot of things you need to take care of today. You are in a responsible position, someone with a lot of duties or responsibilities today. And maybe today you are afraid of something, some kind of a fear about your future or about the way things are going. So it may be something to do with your relationship. Maybe you have a lot of fears about this connection. You don't know what will happen or what will be the outcome, or what will be this person's decision in this relationship. So some kind of confusion, doubts are there on your mind and you're really worried. You're worried sick about what this person is going to decide. Maybe you love this person. Maybe you may have a level of understanding with this person, and you have put in a lot of efforts to try to make this relationship go in a right way, trying to do your best or trying to be really friendly, honest with this person. But whatever you have done is, has no effect today. Things are happening as it should and you do not have any control. The reasons may be because of the way things are going. The reason may be because this person has something to tell you. Maybe they have some secrets to tell you and they are not telling those secrets to you, and maybe these secrets are worrying them and these secrets are the reason for the way they are behaving. And maybe for some of you, these secrets are coming to light, or without them telling you. Maybe you will know their secrets through someone else. It may be your friend or a common friend. That is more worrying because this person has not told you anything till now, Sagittarius. So for your relationship, we have one card. We will see what it is. It is Lovers. So maybe for some of you, with you knowing these secrets, looks like things will take a positive turn. Maybe they had a lot of fears to tell you these secrets because they were afraid that you will leave them. But with this card here, I feel that this relationship is moving towards a stable one. Maybe you are building a strong foundation since you know each other's secrets. Things are going to go in a positive way in this relationship, Sagittarius. So for your career, we picked one card. It is Page of Cups. So some happy news is reaching you in your work circumstance, something that is going to increase your work potential or increase your success. So that is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius, for your general energies. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card for those who chose this card. It says Orphaned. So in your circumstances today, in your relationship, you are in a situation where you feel that you are unable to fit in. You don't have that sense of belonging in this relationship. Some kind of uncertainty is there today in this connection. And the reasons may be because we are all unique beings and we are all evolving spiritually and emotionally. So we are committed to our own growth, and when we long for people to support us in this difficult path, we may be disappointed or even hurt by the people who are with us because the way they are, maybe their actions or their words, they may not understand what we are going through, because each and every one of us are in different stages of personal growth. Maybe this person is at another stage and we are at another stage, and we are in this relationship. Maybe we are in a new connection where we do not share the same visions, share our values and beliefs, and each of us may have different values and beliefs. That may be the reason we do not feel so close with this person. That sense of belonging may not be there. So you need to accept things as it is today, whatever is happening, and you can be you can rest assured that spirit or that higher power or God, whatever you call it, will steer you in the direction of people who will appreciate you for whatever you are, without any artifice, without any agenda. So you don't have to compromise anything to be in this relationship just for that sense of belonging, because it won't be worth the price. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we will see what it is. Vasila the Brave. And with this card, for those who chose this card, you are going through a difficult circumstance, but you need not worry. You are going to come out of this situation much wiser, much stronger than before, and you will pass any test that you have been put through today. And maybe in your life you have someone close to you. It may be a family member, it may be your mother or a sibling, a woman maybe for some of you. And this person is your strength, this person is your guiding light. And maybe for some of you, you have a very strong parent, you have that strong motherly love, you have experienced that in your life, and this love and knowledge is guiding you each and every day. And maybe in your heart of hearts, when you are making some important choices, you may hear a very calm voice telling you what you need to do. That is your intuition, you must listen to it. So you have a very a sensitive spirit, something telling you what to do, and it may be a wisdom that has been passed on from your parents or from your grandmother, someone who was very close to you. And in any situation, whatever difficulties you are seeing, if you listen to this voice, you are going to make the right decision, the right choice today. And you need to understand that there may be a time of separation from family members or friends, but you need to do your best. You need to try and do whatever needs to be done. Do not lose heart in this circumstance. And from this darkness, you are going to move towards a greatest light in your life, and you are going to face all your fears with courage and knowledge and wisdom. And there is a time of a new beginning coming in your life. So circumstances are definitely changing. All you need to do is face your situation with strength and determination, courage, and listen to your intuition that is going to guide you all the way through. So that is the energy here with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.